Do you know why we see only one side of the moon? To know this, we must first understand two things: rotation and revolution of the moon. Rotation is the movement of the moon around its axis, and revolution is the movement of the moon around the Earth. Now, the unique characteristic of the moon is that it rotates once around its axis, in exactly the same time it revolves around the Earth. In more simpler terms, time required for one full rotation equals time required for one full revolution. This type of rotation is known as synchronous rotation. It is due to this synchronous rotation we can only see one side of the moon. But this type of rotation is common for all the moons of all planets in our solar system. This is because our Earth forces the moon to rotate once in every revolution by its gravitational pull. This gravitational force is also called tidal locking. As the Earth's gravitational force is applied on the moon, the center of gravity of the moon comes closer towards the Earth. Now, assuming that the moon is a perfect sphere, the center of mass of the moon will be at the center. We can draw a straight line from the center of mass of the moon through its center of gravity to the center of the Earth. This straight line is always kept constant by the gravitational pull of the Earth. If the moon tries to rotate slower or faster by breaking this line, the Earth's gravitational force will rectify the alignment by re-establishing the imaginary line. This results in the same side of the moon to be always facing the Earth. Here is a big question: how the moon rotates around its own axis. Is the moon rotates around its own axis? Let's see. This can be clearly understood if we remove the Earth from the scenario. Here, we can see that the moon rotates exactly once along its axis while completing one revolution. Since we can always see one side of the moon, we call the other side the dark side of the moon. However, we can see different phases of the moon throughout each month, where a partially visible moon can be seen, along with a full moon and a new moon. We will learn more about the phases of the moon in our next video.